All right, we got pipes in a pile. So on the top layer, there's 2?
Yes.
And the next one, there's 3?
Yeah.
Oh, man, this is a really bad drawing. They should all be touching each other. But no, there's a gap right here. It's no good. Okay, anyways, this one has 2, this one has 3, and this one has 4. And so we have a pattern here, yeah? It goes 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And so if we go all the way to 16, do you guys know what we'll end at? Some of you guys can do that in your head really quick. Okay, but I'm going to do a bunch of like math with it. All right?
It's 19 by the way.
Oh, 19 layers? Okay, I thought you said 16. So 19 layers. And so if I go 19 layers, that would be the 19th term in this sequence, right? No, it would be the 19th term in the sequence. Oh, you're saying that there would be 20 pipes? I think you're right. I think it is 20. Okay, so, but I'm just going to do some math, okay? So we have our common difference. How do I know it's a common difference? It's increasing by 1 each time. And so that means it's a arithmetic sequence. And so we're going to go a sub n, and then our first term is 2, and then we're going to add to that n minus 1 ones. All right? Does that make sense? This is our first term. This is our common difference. So if I want to know how many pipes are in the 19th layer, that would be 19 right there, right? And so I just go 2 plus 19 minus 1, and I have to multiply it by 1. What's 19 minus 1?
18.
Oh, it's 18. Okay. And I just multiply by 1. So what is 18 plus 2? 20. That's the answer. 20 pipes.
That's in the pile.
Oh, how many total? Oh, I thought I was asking for the 19th layer. Oh.
It already says you have 19 layers.
Oh, yeah, but this is how many pipes are in the 19th layer. Okay, but actually, I think we need this anyways.
No, it says in the pile. How many pipes?
No. Okay, I get that. But I do need 20 anyways. You know why? Because there's a formula to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, and that is n divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term, right? And so in this case, our last layer is 19. Our last term will be 19. So I put 19 right here, divided by 2. Then I have the first one, which is 2, and the last one, which is 20. We just found that, right? And now I simplify. So I get 19 over 2, and then I get, what is that, 22? You know what's crazy? Even though there's, we're doing this odd number right here, odd number of layers, we will never get a decimal doing this. That's kind of crazy, I think, when you think about that. So, anyways, I go that times 19 over 2. I'm going to make 22 into a fraction. And I'm also going to cross-cancel because I like using my math tricks here. So I divide the 2 and the 22 each by 2. And then I just have 19 times 11. And that's going to give us the total number of pipes. What is 19 times 11? What? Yes, you guys already did it. I don't have to do it. 209 total pipes. So this is actually our answer, not the other one. But I did need this one, huh? I needed to know that.